friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the UFS Storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. Starting with the first phone, which is a Realme GT Neo 2 device, and the next is a iQOO 7 smartphone, as you can see, and third phone is a Mi 11X device, as you can see friends clearly. And let's see which phone will be having what kind of read and write speeds comparison. That's what we are going to exactly demonstrate in this video, which will be having highest read speed and highest write speed. And during this time I'll try to use the two applications which are available in the Play Store. You can actually download them. So first application, let's open the Android Bench application. So let's say using this application, which phone will be having what kind of result. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. Only this application is running at this moment, as you can clearly see friends. Now let me start doing the test at same time. So let's see which phone will be having what kind of read speeds and the write speeds. So even I'm really interested to see this kind of comparison side by side. So in case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be doing those kind of comparison side by side. And finally we got the results. Let me try to put all three phones together: Realme GT Neo 2, iQOO 7 device, and Mi 11X device. You can try to identify looking at the bottom navigation bar buttons. So right now these are the scores which we got, and the highest phone which are read speed is about 1715, as you can see exactly the 1715 which is present in the iQOO 7 device. And the second highest is in the Realme GT Neo 2 with the 1691, and third is 1422 in the Mi 11X device. And in the write speeds also the iQOO 7 is the highest, which is 770, and second is the Realme GT Neo 2 723, and third 679. And the random speeds, so random read and random write 292, 263, 213 and 149, and 230 and 306. The random write speed is really higher, 306. You can clearly see. So if you want, you can take this, take a pause, and you can actually watch the reading side by side. You'll get a clear idea what is going on. And now let me need to do the testings of another application using. Let me need to go to the home screen. Let's open next application. So by using this application also we'll be able to find out the read and write speeds. So that's the reason I thought of using two different applications which may give the different results, but we'll take an average what is going on. You can clearly see friends, the iQOO 7 is finishing slightly faster in terms of the speeds. If you try to look at the speeds, and the Realme GT Neo 2, for some reason it stopped exactly in the sequential read speed. It's not going further, but other two phones they were able to go. I'm not sure what is happening at this moment. I'll try to continue again. So maybe I'll try to close this application. I'll try to start again. So let's start again this application. It's loading. It's taking some time. I did click on the CPU, but still it's not opening. Phone got froze for some reason. I'm not sure why. So this is my first time facing this kind of issue. I'm not sure, it got stuck, not responding. So sorry friends, the phone is not responding. I need to restart the device. Let's see when the restart will work or not. I'm trying to press the power button continuously, but still I'm not getting any kind of response. Ask me to restart. I'll just keep the phone silent and I'll be back again. So finally friends, after doing the restart of this device, then the phone was able to perform back to normal. I'm not sure why this kind of issue has happened suddenly. I did not encounter this kind of problem before in the Realme GT Neo 2. This kind of completely got froze. Everything got froze. I need to keep pressing the power button continuously for 30 seconds to 1 minute of time. After that, the phone got restarted automatically, rebooted. So because I was not getting even options to reboot and restart for some weird reason. So but anyway, so these are the quick readings which we got right now. Let me slightly zoom in so you'll be able to focus exactly on the readings, how much we got on all the three smartphones. So you can see the friends, the sequential write speed is slightly higher again in the iQOO 7 device with 538 Mbps, and sequential read close to 0.98 GB, as you can see, close to 1 GB, and 500 Mbps in the Realme GT Neo 2, 516 in the Mi 11X device. And next is about random read 14 and 26, 30 and 18, 34 and the 19. You can see how the results are between all of these three smartphones. So in I think most of the scenarios, the iQOO 7 was able to keep highest in the read and write speeds. You can clearly see what is happening in the sequential read and sequential write speeds, slightly higher than the Realme GT Neo 2. So this is a overall quick comparison, friends, between all of these three smartphones in terms of the read and write speeds regarding the UFS storage 3.1. And in case if you have any other queries regarding these three smartphones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of comparisons as soon as possible between the three devices. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I can see the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.